Stone Live by Kingfishr is played in a very peculiar tuning and with the capo on the 5th fret. For the tuning, the E string goes down to a C, the A string to a G, the D string stays as a D, the G string stays as a G, the B string goes down to another G, and the high E string to a D note. We're then also going to pop the capo on the 5th fret. For this tutorial, I'm going to be naming the strings in their regular tuning, even though they are now tuned to different strings, just to avoid confusion. I'll also be referring to the frets relative to the capo. So when I say open, I technically mean the 5th fret, but it's relative to the capo. So we're going to start with the open D string, hammering on to the 2nd fret really quickly. Then we're going to pick G, B. So it's the thumb for the bass note on the right hand, and then we go 1st finger, 2nd finger. Then we'll go back to the thumb on the D string on the 2nd fret and pick high E, the 3rd finger, B, G, B. We'll then pick D, 2nd fret, G, B, open D, G, B, open A. Okay, so first 2 bars. Slower. We're then going to move to 5th fret relative to capo on the A string and play G, B, 5th fret on the A again, E, B, G, B. So kind of like this similar picking pattern to the first bar there. A, G, B, A, E, B, G, B. In the second bar of this kind of phrase here, it's exactly the same. So the first 4 bars slowly. And more up to speed. We're then going to play 2nd fret on the D, open B, G, 2nd fret on the D, E, B, G, B. So very similar to the first bar, just without the hammer on. We'll then play 2nd fret on the D, G, B, 4th fret on the D, G, B, 5th fret on the D, open G. Then up to the 5th fret, and we're on the A string, sorry, and we're going to play the same as we did for the 3rd and 4th bar. Okay, so we then have a very similar pattern the 3rd time through. 2nd fret on the D, G, B, D, 2nd fret, E, B, G, B. 2nd fret, open G, open B. Then this time we're going to go open D, G, B, then open A, G. So, and the ending for these 3rd time through is exactly the same. And then the 4th time through is exactly the same as the 2nd time through. Okay, so the first 4 times through is kind of like the verse part of the song, and this is how it sounds played rather slowly. More up to speed. From the first 4 times through, we then have like a linking section that takes us into the chorus. And it sounds like this. We start off with the second fret on the D, G, B, so it's normal, and then D, second fret, E, B, G, B. Second fret on the D, G, B, open D, G, B, open A, and then open G. Then go to the 5th fret as normal. And at this point we change here, we have 5th fret on the A, G, B, walking down to the 4th fret on the A, G, B, open A, G. Okay, so then we're going to go to 2nd fret on the A, G, B, 2nd fret on the A, E, B, G, B. And then we have like a walk up, 2nd fret on the A, G, B, 4th fret, G, B, 4th fret again, and the G. So then we go up to that kind of normal riff to end, 5 on the A, G, B, 5. And then a little walk down again, 5, open G, B, 4, open G, B, open A, G. And then that kind of 2nd fret riff again on the A. And then the walk up again. And then finish this time, low E open. Okay, so that whole connecting part. And more of the speed. For the second verse, the ending is slightly differently. We don't play the last 4 bars. Instead of playing those 4 bars, we're going to swap to this chord, single strum, 2nd fret on the A, the rest of the strings are open. That lasts for 2 bars, and then we move this finger down a string set to the D string at the 2nd fret, and we're going to play all of the strings open and leave it ring for 2 full bars again. So we'd come out of this part. For the chorus, we're going to swap to some single strums of chords. We have 4th fret on the E and A strings, the rest of the strings are open. For a single bar, moving on to 2, 2, and open, open, and open. Same strings, E and A. And then down to the 2nd fret only on the D string, and strum all of these strings open. So we're kind of functioning as an E minor 7, D sus 4, C add 9, relative to the capo again. And we just cycle those for the chorus. There is also a strumming pattern sometimes on the chorus chords. It's down, down, up with an accent, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Bridge section, we have that E minor 7 chord, 4, 4, and all the opens going up to 7 and 7, and all the opens, and then we go down to that C add 9 chord. Again, these are single strums. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, there's a strumming pattern on these chords too, exactly the same as for the chorus chords. Down, down.